Ready to unlock the secrets of collaborative coding and contribute to the world's most exciting projects? Don't worry if GitHub seems like a complex maze right now, because we're going to break down its core concepts in a way that's super easy to understand, even if you've never used version control before. First things first, GitHub is essentially a website and platform for version control and collaboration. Think of it as a giant online filing cabinet for code. The main area is called repositories, and they hold all the files for your projects, like website code or application files. Inside a repository, you'll find all the code, images, and other files that make up your project. Now, let's talk about commits. A commit is like a snapshot of your project at a specific moment in time. Every time you make changes, you can commit those changes with a message describing what you did. This helps you track progress and revert to previous versions if needed. Branches allow you to work on new features or bug fixes without messing up the main project. Think of it as creating a separate copy of your project where you can experiment freely. Once you're happy with your changes or branch, you can create a pull request to merge those changes back into the main project. This allows others to review your code and provide feedback before it becomes part of the official version. Finally, GitHub makes collaboration incredibly easy. You can invite others to contribute to your repositories, work together on branches, and discuss code changes, making teamwork a breeze. With these tools, you're ready to contribute to any open source project.